How to fix Xbox mic not working. First, if you are using the Xbox application and your microphone is not working and your teammates or your friends are not able to hear your voice, what you want to do is you want to simply check for your headset or any kinds of properly connected device over here. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Bluetooth or any kinds of AirPods or any kinds of headset settings are all turned on and are actually connected. What you can also do is you can simply disconnect and reconnect the headset over here or Bluetooth AirPods over here. After that, what you basically want to do is you want to simply make sure that the application has the permission to your mic as well. You will simply come back from the application completely, tap and hold on the Xbox application, tap on app info, and here you want to simply select permissions. Over here inside your permissions, you want to simply select microphone, and if it is selected to don't allow, you want to simply select it to allow only while using the application over here. And once you have done so, you shouldn't be having any kinds of mic issues on the Xbox application. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.